Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
In the days to come, a lineup of significant economic data releases is set to unfold. With high-impact reports leading the way, it's important for investors and traders to monitor these announcements to anticipate potential market movements and volatility. As we move through this week, these economic updates will be closely watched. Make sure to stay informed and ready to adapt to any shifts in market trends.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil prices rose over $1 a barrel as traders weighed the possibility that Russian supplies may be disrupted by Ukrainian drone attacks on its ports and refineries and awaited the Federal Reserve's decision on U.S. interest rates. The dollar fell across the board, hitting a 4-year low against the euro, as investors firmed bets for a Federal Reserve interest rate cut this week. The euro rose by 0.9% higher to its highest level since September 2021. Solana-based meme coin launchpad Pump Fun recorded more than $1 billion in daily trading volume Monday. Data from decentralized exchange Jupiter showed Pump.Fun processed over $900 million in transaction volume on Sunday before topping $1.02 billion on Monday.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 1.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair skyrocketed 1.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.